Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Well, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Is it worth getting one in 2021? Well, let's find out. Although Apple didn't change the design of the iPhone 11 Pro Max on the front, especially when compared to the SX Max, on the rear things were much improved. There is a matte glass back that feels noticeably different in the hand. It's much less prone to smudges and fingerprints. Well, there's also the addition of the third camera. When it comes to build quality, there's nothing much to say. It's like any other premium iPhone in the past years. Strong sturdy stainless steel frame with glass on both front and back. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A13 Bionic chip and its third generation neural engine. It packs 4GB of RAM and 64, 256 or 512GB of solid state storage. It's currently running on iOS 14.6. With all the specs above, the performance overall is amazing. In terms of hardware, the key difference from the previous iPhone is the addition of the ultra-wide camera, making it 3 cameras on the rear of the iPhone. All the 3 cameras pack 12 megapixel sensors, which is okay. When it comes to photos, the photos will be well exposed and sharp. The real-time HDR processing feature is amazing. I would say the sensors deliver good dynamic range and handles highlights and shadows really well. The overall picture quality is good, but not great. When it comes to videos, iPhones are still at the top when it comes to shooting videos on a smartphone. The iPhone 11 Pro Max in particular can deliver stunning 4K videos at 60 FPS with extended dynamic range and software stabilization that can rival hardware gimbal. The battery is quite large at 3969 mAh. The battery life has been stunning. Apple claimed that it gets 5 hours more battery life compared to its predecessor. It has never come close to running out of charge during even my heaviest day of usage. Anyway, for the big question, is it worth getting the iPhone 11 Pro Max in 2021? Yes. This is still a solid device with good build quality, great battery life, amazing camera and overall performance is still amazing. If you can get one for a good deal, then go for it. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions regarding the 11 Pro Max, drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.